Hello, it's Nate here from Leavens Volkswagen, and I'm here to show you how to use Park Assist in case you've just bought your new Atlas and you're not sure how. This is a tutorial. Alrighty, so Park Assist is going to help you park your car. It will back you into a spot, pull you forward into a spot, or parallel park you. To start it, you need to have your car on, but next, press the P menu button near your four ways in the bottom left corner. It'll show this screen on your infotainment system. It'll start scanning for spots. So what we're going to do is put the car in drive, slowly drive forward until it picks up a spot, which it will in just a moment. Right there. So from here, you can choose to either back in, pull in forward, or if there was enough room, it would be to parallel park it. Next, you're going to press start. Follow the instructions in your digital gauge cluster. It says here, please drive slowly in reverse. So I'm going to put the Atlas into reverse gear and take my foot slowly off the brake, allow it to fully turn the wheel into the spot, wait until it dings, like that. And then it's telling me to slowly drive forward, so here we go. As you can see, my hands are off the wheel. It's telling me to brake, put it into reverse. See how it angles really nice? So it's going to get us bang in that spot there. It may seem kind of scary, but once you get used to it, it's a pretty helpful tool. Look at that. And park. And now you can see if I go into reverse, how perfect we are on either side of the lines, even the car spaces and even the back there. We're all perfectly aligned. Park and you're good to go.
Volkswagen.